Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making pork ribs. So ingredient is just roughly chop the carrots, and I use this rolling chopping method. So roughly dice the potato. I use one big potato here, and it should be enough. And I just roughly dice this like that, and the rest. So this should be easier, and I tend to use a big knife for this. And ginger, just a few slices of them. You don't need to peel them, just use it as it is. And high pressure cooker, so I use a Linja multi cooker here, and this is the crystal sugar. And I put the pork ribs in there, all the ingredients goes in there, and then soy sauce, just 1 cup of soy sauce. Any soy sauce you like, whatever makes you feel happy, and add water in there. And I just slightly stir it around just to separate the meat and make sure everything is submerged in the stocking. Right, in there you got the ginger, onions, and the carrot and potato. Close the lid, and then we use high pressure for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you should really see the meat is already separating from the bones. So you should be able to remove the bone just like this. If not, you need to cook it again. So take all the meat out and the bones, and then we use that stocking to do a soup. Because the potato and the carrot are already softened, so you can just use a whisk with another heat and just whisk it so easily. You can make it so smooth if you like, but I just tend to use this and just drink it. Put some parsley in there. So now use the hot pan, oil, ginger and garlic. Now we're making a sauce for the spare ribs. So you need to cook the ginger and the garlic until it turns into golden brown. And once you hit that color, the oil should be hot enough. And what you do is to add brown sugar or white sugar, doesn't really matter. So, and if you like it sweeter, add more. And then I'm just gonna slightly melt the sugar in the oil. And once that is reaching a good temperature, remember that we got those stocking. I didn't use it all for the soup, so I used 2 scoops of the stocking that cooks the ribs. And then I add some black vinegar. You can use balsamic vinegar, any vinegar you like, whatever makes you feel happy. And once you've done that, you just stir it and make sure that you thicken the sauce well. So I use cornstarch and water just to thicken the sauce, and I don't like it to be too thick. And I put the ribs in there and just keep cooking the ribs in the sauce, because the ribs was taken out from the boiling water and now it's going back into the sauce, so it will absorb all the vinegar sauce in there. And what I did earlier was to put some coriander, dry coriander in there. And you can put whatever you want. You can put onions or spring onions in there. So now I just use a normal bowl, and yeah, I should be able to put it all in there. Yep, so this is very good serving with rice. If I show you, just taking some of the meat out of this, it's so tender, and it just fell off the bones, you know. And wow, look at that, so tender, you know. You just touch it and the bones will just go away. Look at the meat. Wow. You know, sometimes it's got a bit of this pulled pork feeling. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.